Okay, today we have an Asus laptop. This is Asus V4 box. Yeah. Model number is A412F. Yeah. This is coming for no power. Yeah. This is power button. Press the power button, nothing happen. Ya. Kali ini kita kedatangan laptop Asus VivoBook A412F, datang dengan kondisi tidak bisa dinyalakan ya. Ketika kita tekan tombol power tidak menyala. We try with the charging, adapter charging. Plug in the charger, pressing the power button, nothing happen. But we have here we have charging light, white charging light. You can see. Yeah, you see. Yeah. So what happened with the laptop? Let's open this quickly. Okay, the laptop has been opened. Because this is for the power button is in keyboard. I see the cable, maybe someone modification this switch button. I try to short the voltage from the cable to ground. Yes, yeah, the laptop is turning on. So this means the problem is from the power button of the keyboard. So I will modify the power button, and I put the power button the new power button on this board, so the user can use the power button to turn on the computer. Okay, let's modify this board. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is the, can you see? Maybe you can see. Okay. Okay, this is the modify switch. Yeah, this is, yeah, yeah. This one, I put in the lock, connection lock port, and then it's going to the 3.3 switch, on off switch on the keyboard. Test. I will test this before is this to turn or not. Yeah, before we test it. Okay, we check before we test the switch on. Okay, this is ground. This is switch power rail. Okay, no short. Yeah. Okay. We'll put back all together and then we test the laptop. The switch can switch or not. Sorry. Okay. Plug in the battery. Okay. Test by the switch power, switch on. Okay, the laptop is turning on, but there's no picture because we, yeah, you see the backlight keyboard is on. Yeah, maybe you can see here the picture not showing up for the LCD. Now the picture is coming. Yeah, yeah. We The switch button is okay. Turn off the laptop again. Shut down. Okay, we put back the cover and we test with the cover. Okay. Uh, you see, if you get the problem like this, yeah, actually the switch button on the keyboard is not working. You can make modification, yeah, switch button, and you cannot. Uh, you must not to replace the keyboard, yeah, if you only have a problem with the power button at the keyboard. Why I made the power button is separately from the keyboard, because if you replace the keyboard, if I replace the keyboard, uh, your power button is still exists, yeah. If you put the power button and the keyboard power button, you replace the keyboard and the power button is gone, yeah. But with this modification, the power button is still on the laptop if you replace this, yeah. Okay, switch on. Okay, yeah, yeah, the laptop is turning on normally. Shut down. Then we test with the adapter charger. Okay, plug in the charger, switch on. Okay, the laptop turning on normally. I will stop the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this, and see you in the next video.